thank you very much. Honorable Congressman Kiko Benitez, Mayor Aldi Benitez, and all the chief executives of the province of Negros Occidental, 31 of them. Thank you very much. Our city officials from Bacolod, our vice mayors, our city and municipal councilors, tourism officers, just about everybody, mayong gabi sa tanan. Today's Maskarra sa Panaad is a groundbreaking event. As far as I can remember, this is the first time that the province was invited to join the Masskara Festival. And we are just happy to be a part of the biggest and most awaited Masskara Festival in years. Rightfully so, as we will be celebrating the first one since the pandemic, this also creates an opportunity for the Masskara tourists to experience a glimpse of the land of sweet surprises. Culture, local products, festivals, travel destinations, and of course, its famed Negrense cuisine. Congratulations to Mayor Aldi Benitez and the Bacolod City officials, the Balik Yuhong Foundation, and the entire Bacolod City government for staging this trailblazing celebration. The Masskara Festival is more than just a festivity. It is a story of hope, resilience, and ingenuity. As the pandemic forced upon us the use of masks, this year, we again, as a people, are going to don our mascaras with the same grit we courageously displayed in the past when we had our first Masskara Festival. After 2 years of uncertainty, here we are, the province and the city of Bacolod, united as we move forward towards recovery. To our local chief executives, all 31 cities and municipalities, thank you. The success of Masskara sa Panaad is, to a great extent, due to your support and cooperation. To everyone present, welcome. Karina sa Masskara sa Panaad. May God continue to bless Negros Occidental and Bacolod City. Apanse, Negrense.
There you have it, ladies.